number 4 says solve the inequality x squared plus x minus 6 is greater than or equal to negative 4 by using a number line. So remember, the first thing we should do is set it up just like a normal equation, then we'll have to work with it from there. So we're going to have x squared plus x minus 6 greater than or equal to, sorry, I just said set it up as an equation. Set it up as an equation, so change the inequality to an equal sign, equals negative 4. I'm going to add 4 to both sides, which gives us x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0. Now, if you're at this point and you don't know what to do, what should you try? You should try factoring. Let's break it up into 2 separate pieces. So I need 2 numbers that multiply to negative 2 but add to positive 1. Multiply to your c value, add to your b value. So that would be positive 2 and negative 1. And this is still equal to 0. So we have x plus 2 times x minus 1 equals 0. Remember, that means either x plus 2 equals 0 or x minus 1 equals 0. Solve for those, you get x minus 2, we get x equals negative 2. Over here we add 1, x equals positive 1. Now at this point, let's plot these on our number line. So I've got a circle at 1 and at negative 2. Now, since this inequality says greater than or equal to, the or equal to part always means you're filling it in. Kind of like in that last problem, the or equal to would mean we'd have a solid line. In this case, we end up with a solid dot. Now, we need to do a test point. We got to figure out if we're going to shade in between our 2 points. So our options would be in between your 2 points or outside. We got to figure out which one it is. So in order to do that, let's do a test point. The easiest test point for this one is one that's right in between the two, 0. So let's test x equals 0. Plugging that in, I get 0 squared, this is going to be easy, plus 0, still can do that, sweet, minus 6 greater than or equal to negative 4. Well, these cancel off. You're left with, is negative 6 greater than or equal to negative 4? Nope. So don't shade where the 0 is. So that means we're going to shade outside of that area. Now we've got those 2 pieces shaded, let's see if we can come up with an inequality for both. So the one on the left, this is where x is less than or equal to negative 2. Sorry, that's a bad negative. And on the other side, we have x greater than or equal to positive 1. So our final solution, our final answer here should be x less than or equal to negative 2 or x greater than or equal to or positive 1.